In this video, we will be learning on inviting teammates in the Salesmate CRM to organize and increase their productivity. After creating a Salesmate account, users with the administrator's privilege can invite their reps as contributors to their CRM workspace to help them achieve their daily operation needs. We recommend that you review and update the roles and profile permissions of the users to match your organization's hierarchy. Once your basic setup is all set, it's time to add your teams in Salesmate CRM. Excited to board your team? Let's do it right away from the Welcome widget. You get an option to invite your team right here on your dashboard. Simply invite them using their first name, last name, and the email address. That's it. An invitation would be sent to your team to activate their account and start exploring Salesmate. If you're an admin user, you can head towards the profile icon followed by Setup. Navigate towards the Users and Security section and you will locate Users. As you click on it, you add new user, fill in the requisite details and associate it with desired role and profile permission and hit on Save. A new user will receive the confirmation email to activate his account. They will be added to your organizational workspace based on their confirmation. The profile section you see while adding a new user is the profile permission that you need to configure from the setup. It is for controlling what a user can see and which modules can the user access for their daily operational needs. You can add new profile by navigating to the profile icon on the top right corner followed by Setup. Under the Users and Security section, you will find Profile Permissions. You may note, Salesmate provides two options for profile as default admin and standard. Admin profile is a non-editable profile. However, you can clone the profile while creating a new option. While you add a new profile, give it a suitable name and select the profile to be cloned. Moving further, update the description for your internal reference. As soon as you add it, you can then define the permission at module level, import, export, mask, and admin operation and other permissions of the respective modules and feature like custom views, merge operations, file permissions, dashboard and reports, chat permissions, web forms, and calling. As a thumb rule, we recommend only having the limited number of users with the administrative privileges. This should be a senior member of staff, your point of contact at CRM, or a backup individual at your organization. It's also advisable to restrict the number of users who can export records from your Salesmate account. This helps you to control who can access customer data, which may be an important part of your GDPR compliance. Isn't that super easy? Now let's quickly have a view at the security roles that you select while adding a new user. These roles help you in creating a hierarchy using roles management, where users at a higher level will always be able to access the records of the users at a lower hierarchy. You can add role by simply hovering on the respective hierarchy of the role. Add the role name, finalize whom does he report, and add the role description. You can also share the data with peers, which can allow the users to access each other's data who are at the same hierarchy. We recommend setting up global data sharing policies before importing records in the system to avoid data breach. By default, Salesmate records are public read or write, but based on your collaboration policy, you can change the sharing permission globally for each module. You can provide the following types of access levels to users in Salesmate for respective modules. Private, where only the record owner and his or her superior can view the record. With public read only, everyone can view all records but can't modify or delete them. And if it is kept as public read or write, everyone can view all records with an ability to modify and delete them. That's all about adding a new user or inviting teammates to Salesmate and setting up the users and their security policies.
Subscribe to the Salesmate YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated on our new features, releases, and insightful videos.